Let's have a talk, Pluto. We know you've been feeling blue. They changed your class, so you go blame it on the IAU. Now you're a dwarf planet, and you're not thrilled, it's plain to see. But if you look at what makes a planet great, the dwarfs have 2 out of 3. You orbit a star, and your star is called the sun. You have enough gravity to make you round, but you're missing one. Do you clear your surroundings? Dwarf planets don't clear the neighborhood. They don't have enough mass, but join the class. If you don't know their names, you should. Ceres, Makemake, how many Aries? Pluto. Ceres, Makemake, how many Aries? Pluto. Ceres, Makemake, how many Aries? Pluto. Ceres, Makemake, how many Aries? Pluto.
I'm serious and dark, but I have bright spots. I'm the biggest in the asteroid belt.